Leatherman Signal Camping Multitool. You're going to want to have a good multi-tool on hand if you're in an emergency and need to get home. If you're in your car, hopefully you've got a real nice set of tools to depend on. However, depending on conditions, you may not be able to use your car and may have to ditch it to go on foot. In either case, there are countless situations in which it is necessary to have a good multi-tool. Sometimes you only have one hand to spare. The Signal only requires one hand to open and use all tools, even the ones that aren't accessible from the outside. And with all locking features, you can multitask with confidence. The Signal is equipped with a pocket clip and carabiner, so it's always within reach and ready for adventure. Clip it on your backpack or in your pocket. The Leatherman Signal features traditional tools as well as several extras to keep you prepared for the unexpected. Unique additions include a shaped diamond-coated blade sharpener, fire starter, and an emergency whistle. A sturdy nylon sheath is included for maximum protection and portability. Don't let your pack come up short without the Signal multi-tool. Emergency sleeping bag. The modern term refers to a weatherproof bag that is used in the wilderness or in an emergency setting to provide shelter, typically for one person, like a sleeping bag. Enter the Tact Bivy Emergency Sleeping Bag from Survival Frog. This tight-packing bivy is made from our heat echo thermal reflective material to hold in your precious body heat, like a space blanket. These remarkable materials can reflect back as much as 90% of your body heat. A bivy can be used in conjunction with a sleeping bag, or to create a more weather-resistant shell, or a heat-reflective liner. Or the bag can be used as a standalone shelter. Items like these have been on the market for years, but as materials improve, their weight keeps dropping and their effectiveness is increasing. Emdmak Outdoor Emergency Survival Gear Kit. This is an effective survival gadgets idea that'll make a perfect addition to the emergency supplies kit or wilderness backpack of someone you're shopping for. It's impossible to know what kind of equipment you might need in different emergencies, so consider giving someone who has a passion for survival gear an inclusive collection of survival tools like this. It's super compact and waterproof, so it's a form of gift that goes anywhere. A wire saw, the torch, steel survival card, whistle, compass, and much more are all packed into the 5x3.5 by 1.6 box with a weight of just 6.8 ounces. The steel tool card is a multi-tool that includes an opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, ancillary direction indicator, 2-position wrench, and a key ring holder. These are useful survival gadgets for guys. Simms G3 Guide Tactical Jacket. Your plans may take you somewhere wet, or you may have not planned it at all, but in order to keep yourself and your carry dry, try this jacket. With a 3-layer Gore-Tex Pro shell and water-resistant zippers, the storm can rage around you, while you, the upper part at least, stays dry. Thanks to the G3 Guide's breathability, you won't get soaked from the inside either. With 9 pockets, you can organize all your things like a champ in a jacket that weighs in at just 20 ounces. The Simms G3 Guide Jacket was designed to stand up to the daily abuse that fly fishing guides put their gear through on the way to the water, on the river, and in the truck on the way back to the shop. This bomb-proof wading jacket also features plenty of storage and essential hand warmer pockets to defrost your hands on particularly chilly or inclement days. The G3 Guide Jacket from Simms is guide tested, so you know it'll hold up for seasons to come. 3-point storm hood protects against wind and rain. Dry cuff sleeves further seal out moisture and river water. Fleece-lined hand warmer pockets are a necessity for guides and fly fishers alike. The James brand Halifax multi-tool. The James brand is perfectly positioned to earn a space in your survival gadgets list. Their products are sleek and tough, and so thoroughly designed as to eliminate anything unnecessary, leaving only utility behind. The Halifax multi-tool is machined from a single block of titanium and coated in Keratoke for extra durability and style. A simple stainless steel stud gives the tool bottle opening function, while the end of the Halifax can drive screws, scrape gunk, and pry what needs prying. Minimal footprint, maximum function. Machined from a single block of 6Al4V titanium, the Halifax is a small but mighty companion, the perfect tool for a light functional carry. The Halifax will help you tighten down loose screws, pry your way out of a pinch, or open a cold beverage with its custom-machined thumb stud bottle opener. The simple shape fits naturally into either hand, and the screwdriver works with both flathead or Phillips. The billet titanium construction stands up to whatever you throw its way. SOG Seal Strike Fixed Blade Knives. Trust the SOG Seal Strike Tactical Fixed Blade Knife to get you through the suck. SOG, based in Seattle, Washington, created this knife to serve Spec Ops, ex-gunny grandpops, and any warrior in between. SOG, short for Mac v SOG, is a U.S. tool and knife company founded in 1986 and named in honor of the Military Assistance Command Vietnam Studies and Observations Group, a Spec Ops outfit that valued quick, quiet solutions. Your SOG Seal Strike is crafted in AUS 8 black titanium nitride-coated stainless steel and hardened using cryogenic heat treatment. The steel is lowered to -300 degrees Fahrenheit, then brought to room temp to relieve blade stress at the atomic level, thereby increasing edge retention and hardness. Mecarmy FL10 Titanium Carabiner Flashlight. Here's a wire-gate carabiner that can open bottles, light your way, and hang on to your keys. Made from tough TC4 titanium, the FL10 weighs in just under 2 ounces, yet packs a small 360 max lumen lamp made by LED component giant Cree that'll help you open locks or make repairs in the dark. Mecarmy offers innovative and dependable products. The products focus on the original design, innovation, high quality, and environmental protection. Product categories include outdoor, tactical flashlights, and handmade knives. Mecarmy's flashlights are compact, with high lumen output and a USB charging interface. FL10 is probably the first carabiner coming with a flashlight. It could be attached to your bags, keychains, or wrapped by a paracord. You can even carry it every day, and it'll be greatly helpful when you need it. You can use it when you need light in the darkness, a box opener when you received a package bought online, etc. Tactical multi-tool pen for self-defense. There are lots of products out there for self-defense, but we don't always remember to carry them with us. This is a great addition to your personal survival gear, whether you're facing the zombie apocalypse or just trying to get through WTSHTF. This pen is designed with a butt tool that, if necessary, can smash a window open, or it can be used as a self-defense tool. This pen writes well and feels great in your hand. Apart from the neat tactical feature, it is compatible and built to be robust with standard ink refills, so it should be around for a long time. Used by military pilots, Navy SEALs, first responders, SWAT, and other demanding occupations, this cool pen multi-tool has stood up well to the rigors of daily use. This is the perfect solution to your problems if you have had problems breaking pens in your pocket or bag and ruining your gear. So clip or carry in your pocket, briefcase, laptop bag, backpack, purse, or bug-out bag to the mole system. .11 Tactical Hard Times 2 Gloves. Your hands are the most important tool in your survival gadgets arsenal. Protect them with the Tactical Hard Times gloves from 5.11. Made with a 4-way stretch back, a touchscreen compatible goatskin palm, and hard molded knuckle protectors, these gloves are dexterous enough to let you work, but are burly enough to keep you safe. Adjustable hook and loop wrist closure keeps them on, while an absorbent panel at the thumb dries your brow when the hard work kicks in. Tactical Touch Precision fits fingertips for maximum dexterity and comfort. Durable goatskin leather palm finger facings and fourchettes finger point reinforcements wrist closure and pull tab. Kevlar back panel for flash and slash protection. UCO Stormproof Torch Windproof Lighter. They'll burn in a downpour. You can even strike them. Strike the lit match in a glass of water, pull it out, and it'll relight like some kind of magic trick. But UCO isn't a one-trick pony, and those remarkable matches aren't the only tool they provide for our survival. The UCO Stormproof Torch can take your fire building to a whole new level, blasting out flames from their patented triple jet system. This pint-sized blowtorch is actually a refillable butane lighter, and it's one of the fiercest on the market. The triple jet torch is windproof and waterproof, with an adjustable flame to conserve fuel. Each lighter holds enough butane for roughly 700 ignitions, and it ignites with a piezoelectric ignition system that is rated for 30,000 uses. The UCO Stormproof torch is a fire on demand, even in the wettest weather.